Crafting the brand positioning.
Crafting a strong brand positioning is essential for creating a clear and compelling identity in the marketplace. It's about defining how your brand is perceived by your target audience relative to your competitors.
1. Understand your target audience.
Who are they? Define their demographics, psychographics, needs, and desires. What are their pain points? Identify the problems your target audience faces and how your brand can solve them. What are their values? Understand what's important to your target audience and align your brand values accordingly.
2. Analyze your competitive landscape.
Who are your competitors? Identify both direct and indirect competitors. What are their strengths and weaknesses? Evaluate their products, services, and marketing strategies. How are they positioned in the market? Understand how your competitors are perceived by your target audience.
3. Determine your unique value proposition.
What makes your brand different? Identify the unique benefits and value that your brand offers. What problems do you solve better than anyone else? Focus on your core strengths and differentiators. What is your reason to believe? Provide evidence to support your claims.
4. Craft your brand positioning statement.
A positioning statement is a concise and clear articulation of your brand's unique position in the market. It typically includes the following elements: target audience, who your brand is for; category, what your brand does; benefit, what your brand offers to your target audience; point of difference, what makes your brand unique. Keep it simple, memorable, and relevant to your target audience.
Key considerations.
Clarity, your positioning should be easy to understand. Consistency, your positioning should be reflected in all aspects of your brand. Credibility, your positioning should be believable and supported by evidence. Relevance, your positioning should be relevant to your target audience. By following these steps, you can craft a strong brand positioning that will help you differentiate your brand, attract your target audience, and achieve your business goals.